Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. In this lesson, I'm going to focus on a special kind of transformation. We call this reflection. Okay, we have a triangle on the coordinate plane, PQR. Okay, coordinate value is -1, 3 for P. Here is 4 and 5, 3 and 1. Okay, this one is, we want to reflect this triangle over y-axis, okay? Over y-axis must be symmetric to this one. And you know that if we reflect this one to over y-axis, we need to have the same y because it comes here the same y, but different x. Actually opposite with opposite side of x. For example, when we have -1, opposite sign of x here gets positive, here gets -3, and here 4 gets -5. Okay, let's start this one. How can I do this? This actually, you know that this one is pre-image. Pre-image is this triangle. We are looking for the image as triangle. We call this P prime, Q prime, R prime. Okay. What is the point P? P has a coordinate -1, 3. Okay. What can we do that? From P, we can have P prime. P prime, we keep Y and just use opposite sign of X. This is +1, yes? How about Q prime? Q prime is 4 and 5. Okay, it's -4 and 5. Keep this Y and this is opposite side. And R prime gets 3 gets -3 and 1, right? This is the vertices of image. What is these are the vertices of the image. What is image? The image is triangle P prime, Q prime, R prime. Okay. Actually, we need to have this one to the other side. Just maybe we don't need this. Okay, P is -1, 3. P prime is 1, 3. 1, 3 is 1. 3 is here. This one. This is P prime. Okay. How about Q prime? Q prime -4, 5. -4, 5 actually is somewhere here. Symmetric to this one. Okay. This is Q prime. Okay. How about R prime? R prime is 3, 1. Here is -3, 1. The same Y. This is R prime. Right? We can connect this. This one. P to R prime. P prime to R prime. This one. Actually, this reflection preserves the length and the size of two-dimensional shape here. You see that? It's supposed to be. Because here from 3 to -3, from -1 to 1, 4 to -4. Okay. What is the coordinate of this? -4, 5. R prime is -3, 1. P prime is 1, 3. Great. Okay, this is P prime, Q prime, and R prime. P prime, Q prime, R prime. This triangle is image of this one. This was a pre-image. and the final work is image, right? Okay, this is kind of transformation reflection. This was over y-axis. If you say over y-axis, you keep the y values and change the x values to the opposite, the x values. For example, 1 to -1, 4 to -1 to 1, 4 to -4, and 3 to -3. Okay. Hope you like this, and I come back with another kind of transformation.